Hello everyone. Today we are making the heart of Andhra cuisine with a scrumptious dish that is raw mango dal recipe. This is a luscious blend of raw mango, tur dal and few spices. We'll start our cooking. Take a raw mango of your palm size and deskin it and chop into cubes. Take your pressure cooker, toss in water, around 4 cups of water and 1 cup of tur dal and a tablespoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of oil if you want, and few onions, 3 to 4 green chillies and our chopped raw mango. Cook till it get 4 to 5 whistles. No stirring is necessary. Once the pressure cooker got its whistle, then add a pinch of salt and give it a gentle mix. In Andhra, it is called Mavadikayapappu. The taste of this recipe will be amazing, tangy and flavorsome dal recipe. This recipe with raw mango and tur dal that makes a great accompaniment with steamed rice along with delicious panasputtu kura to complete the Andhra style meal. Once the cooker got down with the pressure, take out the lid and check if it is mashed, it's okay. If not, mash it with the masher. Slightly mash it till the green chilli got mashed well. Now the seasoning. Take a tadka or pan, add 2 spoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, a few curry leaves and 1/4 of sliced onion and 7 to 8 crushed garlic, 5 to 6 red chillies and 5 to 6 green chillies, either split or as it is. You can add a pinch of asafoetida and a pinch of fenugreek seeds if you want it. Sort them well till the raw flavor vanishes and your kitchen is filled with that seasoning flavor. Now transfer this season into cooked dal and stir it well. Check the taste of salt and allow it to cook for 2 minutes until it become a thick consistency. If you want, make it like a thin consistent and switch off the flame. Enjoy your dish with either rice or with roti or with naan. In Andhra, it is served with hot steam rice along with hot ghee along with the crispy papadam. Please try the recipe at home and leave a comment how it turned out. Thank you for your time. Namaste. Happy cooking.